The base of you in the eyes of Allah is the base attitudinally. It's not the base, the older, the millionaire, whatever. If you want to get a place in the eyes of Allah, be God conscious. He says, عليك بتقوى الله في كل لحظة ولا تترك التقوى اتكالا على نسب فقد رفع الإسلام سلمان فارس وقد وضع الشرك شريفا أبالا. I urge you, fear Allah. Do not be deceived by your lineage, by your blood connection, because Salman al-Farisi was not a Quraysh man. He was a Persian, but Allah uplifted him because of Bilal, a black man, an African. But when he called Bilal, because of taqwa. Whereas Abu Lahab, a prophet's uncle, is in the hellfire. To tell you, inna akramakum indallah atqakum, not the best of you is the one connected racially, connected genealogically to anybody. At-taqwa is what brings you out clearly in the right place in the eyes of Allah the Almighty.